What is up, everyone? I'm here to bring you a video update on Chainlink. There's a lot of interesting things going on in the market right now with Ethereum and Bitcoin at super precarious places right now. In this video, I want to describe how that's going to affect the altcoins such as Chainlink, talk about what I see happening with Chainlink, both short-term and long-term. Guys, you got to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We'll be breaking down all your favorite cryptos all throughout this bull run. Something to be aware of. With this bull run just getting started, and so much profit potential in this space, there's a lot of scammers, both in the comments down below. So just be aware of that. Be aware of scammers, guys. Don't lose your crypto. Now, in regards to Chainlink, a crypto that I think has a very good chance of doing extremely well in the long term. We're currently breaking out bullishly, but kind of correcting here in the short term. Now, I personally think we can reach the high $20 range in the near future. But if we look at price action here, we were kind of in this descending triangle, and we seem to be breaking out bearishly. Not only that, looking at our indicators on the 6-hour market cipher, momentum waves going down, money flow going down, RSI making lower highs, lower lows, bearish crossover on the MACD. So I made a video a while ago, and we're seeing it. I think we're likely to see further continued correcting and consolidation. People are taking their profits. Ethereum's right up against resistance against all-time highs, so it kind of makes sense that people are wanting to take some profit here. And I think we're going to have further correcting. I personally think we're very likely to fall back down to the $19.90, $20 region at the very least. I personally think going back to $19 to $17 is fairly likely at this point. Likely, sorry. If we see before back in August, I think the $18 region is going to be very, very relevant in terms of support. We can see here just above $18, it was price reactive, and just below $18 is pretty price reactive. So I'd wager that this time around, the $18 region is likely to be pretty reactive. And given that we've gotten a bearish crossover on our MACD on the 6-hour, that is a pretty big deal. That is a large time frame to be looking at. So I do think we're very likely to get continued consolidation here in the near future. I'm trying to see if there's a spike in volume around here. We can see there's a little spike in volume around the $18 region, just looking at this price action here. So guys, as well, the 382 is right below $18, which coincides with the peaks from August. So guys, this purple box here is kind of like my accumulation range. This is where I would personally be looking to add to my Chainlink bags. If I were to be looking to add to my bags, I'm personally, I think, a little tapped out. I've accumulated, a lot of what I want in regards to Chainlink. But I do think Chainlink has a very good chance of doing very well long term. I think Chainlink has a good chance of reaching the hundreds of dollars at the peak of this bull run. I personally think Chainlink could do a 20x from here. I think Chainlink has a good chance, it has a probability of reaching $200 at the peak of this bull run. Guys, I don't know that for sure. That is not a guarantee. It may never even reach the $100, but I do think it has a good shot of doing so. Chainlink is a decentralized oracle. Decentralized oracles are needed in order to make smart contracts smart, to grow the smart contract ecosystem. When the beginning stages of bull run, the crypto asset class is maturing, and something like Chainlink, I believe, will be an integral part of the future of blockchain technology. So for that reason, I do think it has a very good chance of doing very well in the future. I think we see Chainlink at the hundreds of dollars. So in the short term, I do think we're going to correct further. Again, bears cross over the long-term time frames. Like even look at the 4-hour here. Yeah, 4-hour looking bad. The only thing that's looking like a saving grace for Chainlink right now is the stochastic. For those of you who don't know, the stochastic helps us understand the change in the trends, but not the extent to the change in the trend. So with the RSI, with the stochastic being very much in the oversold region here, I think it's a matter of time that Chainlink has a bit of a leg up. And we may be seeing that with us finding support on the 20 EMA on the 4-hour here. And if that can continue, we may perhaps even trend sideways here. But I do think it's likelier than not that we continue to fall down further, to be honest, guys, given that we had the bearish crossover on the 6-hour. That's a big deal. As we can see before, last time we pumped here and crashed, we found support on the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. So assuming some time passes, the 200 EMA on the 4-hour would likely be around the $17 range, which, assuming, a few hours, a few days pass before you reach these prices, 200 EMA around there, which I think would be around my purple box here. So again, I think that would be a good place to accumulate. If we fall back to the 200 EMA on the 4-hour, I would personally be quite excited to be accumulating at those ranges. Anything in the teens, well, especially the mid-teens for Chainlink would be a great buy in my opinion at this point, because I do think, guys, the market is crazy bullish. With Ethereum having passed its all-time highs on some exchanges, I think it's just a matter of time before we really see altcoins start to take off and fly. Like I've been saying, I think this cryptocurrency bull run is likely to end around the end of 2021. I will be looking to scale out around August, September, around there. Again, no one knows what these prices will go to for sure. No one knows when the crypto market will peak out for sure, but I do think it's probable that the market peaks out end of 2021, and I do think it's probable that Chainlink peaks out in the hundreds of dollars. So that's some of the things I'm looking out for. Guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We'll be breaking down all your favorite cryptocurrencies all throughout this bull run. We've been on point calling these different cryptos. Check out our Discord group, link for that down in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good shit. I'll wrap it up there. Take care, everyone.